Yo dog, let's learn to evaluate a log. So dense can't see through the fog. I run the math game, you jog. Oh snap. All right, let's get it. Evaluate a log. Log base 5 of 125. Basically all this means is base 5 to the power of something equals 125. So I'm taking it from log form and writing it in exponential form, which would be written out like this. So what we're saying is, if we're going to evaluate this, we need to figure out what is x. 5 to the power of what makes 125. Writing it out in exponential form typically helps. Okay, so over here I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to write this out in exponential form. Why don't you pause the video real quick, try it yourself, and then start it back up and see if you got the same thing I did. I'm going to do it right now. So log base 3 to the power of we don't know has to equal 81. Now, typically, if you write it out in exponential form like you see here, and hopefully you wrote this one out correctly as well, you then can figure out what value x would need to be. On this first one, 5 to the power of what equals 125? Most of you probably already know it, but if you don't know it right away, you can write it out the long way. Okay, you could say 5 times 5. We know that's only going to make 25. And then 25 times one more 5, that's going to give me what I want. So I had to use a total of 3 5s. So x would have to be 3 in this case. Okay, so log base 5 of 125 is equivalent to 3. Log base 3 of 81, okay, if I need to evaluate that, I'm going to say 3, how many times? 3 times 3 makes 9. And I know 9 times another 9 would make 81, so I need to multiply 2 more 3s. That makes a 9 there. 9 times 9 makes the 81. So log base 3 of 81 is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is the value we would have to put in place of x to make this true. Study hard and good luck on your upcoming test.